Apple is finally stepping into the foldable arena, and the long rumored iPhone Fold, or maybe the iPhone Ultra, is set for launch in 2026. After years of waiting, leaks confirm Apple's design will mirror the likes of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and Google's Pixel Fold, with a book-style hinge that opens into a massive 7.6-inch display, while the outer screen stays compact at 5.5 inches, a nostalgic callback to the classic iPhone Plus models. Imagine an iPad mini with folds neatly into your pocket. That's the vision here. But Apple did not just copy the competition. They have reportedly perfected one of the biggest pain points in foldables, the hinge. Using a new liquid metal hinge system, Apple is expected to eliminate the ugly series that plague rivals, making this foldable look flawless, whether open or shut. That's not all. Touch ID is making a comeback, likely built into the power button like on iPads, which makes perfect sense when you don't want a bulky Face ID module eating into your big display. And cameras? Apple seems to be aiming for practically over access, with 4 total cameras, 2 punch hole selfies outside and inside, and 2 rears, likely wide and ultra wide lenses, focusing on everyday use rather than videography. And before I continue, this is the kind of leak Apple fans wait for years. So if you love staying ahead on every Apple update, smash that subscribe button right now so you don't miss what's coming next. Now, the inside story does not stop at design and cameras. Leak point to the powerful C1X chip, the same silicon used in the iPhone Air, with blazing Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6 and 5G support, possibly even upgraded to a C2X by launch. Battery tech could finally move into next-gen territory with carbon lithium cells, letting Apple slim this foldable down to just 5 mm when opened, thinner than many tablets while keeping Android strong. As for style, Apple is reportedly keeping it minimal, only black and white options at launch, no flashy colors, at least for now. Storage is expected to start at 512 GB, maybe 256, but higher tiers could push all the way to 2 TB. The iPhone Fold is rumored to launch in September 2026 alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, starting at around $1,800, potentially crossing $2,000 for maxed out storage. So the question is, will you hold out another year for Apple's boldest leap yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit subscribe for more breaking Apple leaks, and stay tuned. Thank you.